Hi, Pedro Matos, Project Execution Manager for the Latin Europe. I'm based in France and I'm working for Calderys since 2017. It's easy to explain the complexity of my job. The base of it is project management. It's from A to Z. We manage our engineering project and also the installation projects in our client sites. Also keeping the priority to keep the projects within budget and respecting the safety. That is our main priority. Being completely out of my comfort zone and working in contact with all different cultures. Calderys is giving me a lot of opportunities to develop my own skills. It can be by continuous training or challenging my own scope of responsibilities. We are tenacious. We are a huge team working together, looking all the time for improvement, making sure that our customers are satisfied and always coming back to us for new challenges. I think it would be teletransportation. Why? Because travel quite a lot, can be personal or professional. So it will allow me to spend less time traveling. At the same time, very beneficial and environment as well.